It allows me to feel relieved from stress, and I don't know what I would do without it. Before receiving this care, I was always in pain. It was hard for me to walk normal. Now it's a part of my routine and my overall health. I thoroughly enjoy, seeing his handsome face every day. But besides that, the moment I walk in, I'm greeted with my name, the greeting of the day, and I feel like it's a family and a cohesive working environment for me to come to every time. I'm very thankful for this practice, for helping me have that quality of life and overall health, and I love this man right here.